Look at that good boy.
I'm gonna eat that ass later.
During the morning of D-Day, the airborne company dropped parachutists out here to destroy the fortifications of Nazis. But one of the parachutists got stuck into the church roof and he stayed there for 3 hours. But when the Nazis realized he wasn't dead, because he pretended to be dead, they took him off the church and made him a prisoner in the church so they don't destroy the church.
These were American parachutists. All right. This is our first camping site, getting things ready, and we already encountered a few problems. Clarice's mattress has
No, that's yours.
completely broken.
That's yours.
Oh, it's mine now.
Yeah.
There was a hole in the tent that we got some tape to repair, and we don't really have a tarp to put underneath the tent, which would have been nice to do.
That's your mat.
Wait, you didn't even blow.
Yeah, honey, this.
Anyways, we'll let you know how it is. No, what'd you say? It sucks?
It doesn't stay. The air doesn't stay inside. You suck. Yeah, please respect the line. Ah, I got it. Yeah.
Okay. Oh! Why are we awake at 6 o'clock in the morning?
I'm asking you. Because my husband's cheap. And he didn't want us to buy a mattress. But then first thing he said this morning was, we're going to Decathlon, aka the shop, to buy mattress.
We're not getting an air mattress.
No, we'll see.
So what? Fuck. 2020. 2020's weird, dog.
It is very. What are we doing, Nick?
I don't know, we just found a German bunker, what seems to be.
Yeah. Take some more flashlights.
Whoa.
Oh my god. Oh my god, go first.
I don't know. Some weird stuff's happened here before.
Oh yeah. Stop, you're scaring me.
I don't know, Dan.
Go in there.
The wall's pretty deep. No. I'm scared.
Why are you scared, you pussy? Those kids went there. Oh my god, that's a door. I think doors are creepy.
Yeah, doors are creepy.
Do you think people used to live here?
It's been here for 76 years.
Maybe some homeless.
Yeah, a little bit.
What is that?
And people, and you know,
Entrances for
people like us have been coming here for 75 years.
Yeah. Exploring and being
Dreaming
scared.
here.
What?
Regardez-moi, Chloé. Tu as une audience.
Allez, allez, allez.
Sortez avec la caméra, comme ça vous voyez ce que vous faites.
Ouais, ça va faire. Pour la gloire, faut le dire, je l'ai fait.
Like a pencil. Like a pencil.
Manuel te s'inspire.
2, 3. Ah oui.
Allez, salut l'autre.
Bah oui.
Dans la mer.
That's high?
No.
C'est pas haut.
Oh shit!
Je t'attends.
Hey, do my best.
Right here, right here. Here.
Allez, garçons, vous regardez?
C'est chaud, c'est froid? C'est chaud? C'est vivifiant?
Allez. Essayez de vous avoir pendant que vous sautez, les garçons.
It's too dark.
Oh my god, you're so stupid. It's sinking.
My ring!
No way.
I lost it.
No way. No way.
Yeah.
You serious?
Yes.
I feel dizzy.
Give me a high five on the GoPro.
High five.
Good job, babe. I'm proud of you. I'm actually really surprised you did it.
Seriously? I'm an adventurer.
Guys, I found my ring.
Yeah.
Were you scared?
It was scary up there.
First, were you scared that I lost my ring?
Yeah, I was about to kill you.
And then, were you scared when you
Jump off the cliff?
jump off the cliff?
Yeah. It's high.
That was an awesome experience.
Careful where you're walking. You
I know.
fall in the water.
That was an awesome experience. Yay!
We did it!
Chin.
Cheers. You don't know how to eat oysters. You didn't cut it before.
I tried. Yeah.
You suck.
Sorry to cut to a clip like this, but after I found my ring, Clarice had some ear difficulties from the water at the campsite and took a nap. Okay, and then when we woke up from the nap, Clarice had major ear pain. Actually, I've never seen her cry like a baby. Huh?
Yeah.
No, she was really in pain. It was serious. So I knew we had to get her fixed. We had to go to the hospital. It was painless, the wait. It was only like an hour or so, and got a prescription. And then she was just in pain for a lot of the day, so we didn't record anything. Back to the action. Allez. This is our third campsite, and we made it here to the coast of Granite Rock. Let's see, let's go explore. All right, the World War II exploration continues. Let's see if this is a bunker up here. Do you want to go in?
Yes, of course. Oh, crap.
Oh, wow. Bonjour.
Nick, how's the shower?
Today, I'm not taking a shower.
Are you sure? Because you know you sleep in a tent, it's not very clean.
Today, I am bathing myself with baby wipes.
Are you proud of that?
Don't judge me.
I showered.
I don't care.